Hello again, guys. I was talking in a previous video about this washing machine going crazy. Well, now it's the time to turn it over and see where the leak is. And let's cut the talking and go straight to it. I really don't feel like doing this right now. All I want to do is sit in front of the computer and play the whole night. But I'll do that later. If I pull like this, maybe that will. Okay. And out it came. But I have to take out the water hose first. Let's make sure I shut the water down. What the hell? I hope that's turned off. Don't think I actually did this since I moved here. Yeah, that seems to have shut down the water. Maybe, just maybe, I'll do the electric wires too, if I'm doing this whole thing. I thought this hole's gonna be a lot bigger. Look at how tiny this thing is. That's what fell. And I needed to recover. So I got that out. I took a look at the washing machine. In fact, I'm gonna show you right now. I turn it upside down. The problem is the small hole and the place where I think the leak is very, very inaccessible, and multiple things can go wrong. And I'm not going to do anything else. I'm just going to put it back, reassemble it, see if the leak's gone. Some things have, I opened the exhaust filter. Put the cap back in, see if that helps, clean it a little bit. There was a stick in there, I'm not sure what that is. Oh, from a Q-tip. Plastic from a Q-tip, I believe. Maybe that was it. If it's still leaking, I'm calling the landlord and it's their job. Because I have a few other things in mind, but I would only do that if it was my washing machine. Because things can go wrong, and yeah. So now I'm taking advantage of the fact that I have all this room here. Better check there's no power to those wires. There shouldn't be. And yeah, get the wiring ready in the bathroom too. Hopefully now without blowing up any more pipes. Let's see here. Of course it's full of cat fur everywhere. Damn, that's gross. That's a kid crying outside. There's a small spring. Oh, this is a button that broke in the washing machine. It's okay, I don't use it anyway. It's that crap when you put it, make it fill make it use only, what the fuck? When you make it use only half of the water, but I always use it full, so I don't actually know anyone who uses that feature on the washing machine. I mean, even as a single person, I just wash a lot of clothes, so now as a couple there's rarely any day when the washing machine isn't running, so the hell with that function. I don't know who uses that. Okay, now I'll have to use some shrink tubing. Shrink tubing. Which one's gonna be? Ah, fireworks. That's it. And this will go here. Come on. Don't do this to me. Yes. If I plug it in, let's see if anything goes bang. I'm so happy I did this. I'm sitting with that extension cord in my feet for weeks. More than a month actually, I think. Okay, now I'll just have to put the washing machine back in. I'm gonna need the space for this. Be right back. Okay, there was no way I could do anything. I don't know if I mentioned this or not. I think I did. So basically the drain hose is very hard to access, and a lot of things could potentially go wrong if I try to find a solution for this. I would if it was my washing machine. It isn't, so I'm just gonna call the landlord. If there's still going to be a leak. I found this in the drain filter. I have no idea if that jammed something and caused the leak. Put everything together, including this stupid mechanical thing, and I think I'm ready to. Oh, actually, let's see if the water input is leaking. No, that seems to be fine because I took that thing off to turn the washing machine on its side. Okay, and you're gonna laugh at me. After all this, I found out what's causing the leak. I didn't have to move the washing machine a single inch. If I would have noticed, let me use a flashlight. This thing right here. The seal is torn. I literally didn't need to do anything else but open the door and take a look at the seal. That's what I always say, but of course this isn't my profession, so there's little that I know about usual defects. Always go for the simple stuff first. This is actually quite a good lesson, and I'm happy to upload this video. So if you have a leak in your washing machine, don't go ahead and do this the first time. Just take a look at the obvious. Check the drain filter to see it's not plugged with crap. And be sure to check your rubber seal. That can save you a few hours of hard work. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.